Students, today we are going to see exercise 6.3 lines and angles. So in this exercise 6.3, we are going to use our angle sum property of a triangle and its exterior angle of a triangle. So using those two properties here, we are going to solve the problems in the given exercise. So the first problem, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively if angle SPR is equal to 135 and angle PQT is equal to 110, find angle PRQ. So he has given the figure where SPR is equal to 135 and PQT is equal to 110. We need to find out the angle PRQ. So I am naming this angle as Y. So in order to find out my Y, I am going to use my exterior angle of a triangle where my exterior angle of a triangle is given as 110. So my property is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles of a triangle, where in this triangle you have the opposite angle as I am naming this angle as X and Y, where for my exterior angle the sum of the two interior opposite angles will be X plus Y. So I am going to find out the value of X. Then after finding X, we will find out the value of Y. So here I can relate my X with this 135 by linear pair, since my line PR stands on a straight line SQ. So I am going to use my linear pair now. So coming to the solution, by linear pair, the two adjacent angles sum will be equivalent to 180 degree. So where my two adjacent angles will be SPR plus RPQ is equal to 180 degree. So this is 135 plus I am naming this RPQ. I have already named this angle as X. So which is equal to 180. So X value was 180 minus 135, which is equal to 45. So we are going to substitute this X in my exterior angle property. So where my exterior angle property, since my exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So my interior opposite angles to this triangle will be, my 110 will be the exterior angle of the triangle, where the two interior opposite angle will be X plus Y. So I am going to apply here. So my exterior angle I got it as 110 and the interior angle sum will be X plus Y. So I am going to substitute the X value as 45 here. So I will get 110 is equal to 45 plus Y. So where Y is equal to 110, bringing this 45 that side, so it becomes 65 degree. So I got my Y value as 65 degree, where my Y value will be PRQ. So which implies angle PRQ, which is equal to 65. This is the case what they have expected in the problem. Second problem, in the figure, angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree if YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY of triangle XYZ. Find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So I will show this in the figure. He has given a triangle XYZ where he has given angle X is equal to 62 degree and XYZ, which means he has given angle Y is equal to 54 degree. So he has given one more thing, YO is the bisector of angle Y, which means that this YO line divides your angle Y into two equal angles, as well as he has given OZ will be the line which bisects your angle Z. So this OZ line divides this Z into two equal angles. So we need to find out this inner triangle YOZ angle and YOZY this angle. So in order to find out these two angles in the smaller triangle, I need to find out first the full Z angle. So using my angle sum property in the bigger triangle. So coming to the solution, by using angle sum property of the bigger triangle YZ, where you have angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree, where he has given angle X is equal to 62 degree, and Y is nothing but angle XYZ, which means your angle Y. So he has given angle Y is equal to 54 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. So here we will get 116 plus Z is equal to 180 degree. So I got my Z as 180 minus of 116. So I will get 64 degree. Now coming to the smaller triangle, now I am going to use my angle sum property for the smaller triangle. So by angle sum property of a triangle, so I am naming this smaller triangle as YOZ, where my angle OYZ plus YOZ plus angle YOZ plus angle OZY. So I will show this in a triangle YOZ. I am adding OYZ plus YOZ, this angle, and OZY will be this angle. So I am going to add this three angles by angle sum property, so which is equal to 180 degree. So where my OYZ, so this OYZ, this, since your OY is a bisector of angle 54 of angle Y, so which is this OYZ will be half of my 54. So half of my 54 will be 27 degree. So I am writing OYZ is equal to 27. So YOZ I want to find out, as well as OZY. Now coming to here, OZY, so which is the bisector of this, OZ is a bisector of angle Z. So this OZY will be half of my Z, where I got my Z as 64, where Z is equal to 64. Now half of Z will be 64 divided by 2, which is equal to 32 degree. So half of my Z I am taking it as OZ. This is angle OZY. So I am taking OZY as 32 degree. I am going to substitute 32 degree here, which is equal to 180 degree. So now 27 plus 32, I will get 59 plus YOZ is equal to 180 degree. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus of 59. So I will get 121 degree. So we got this YOZ as, as 121, and already we got OZY, where OZY is the bisector of angle Z, so which is equal to 32. This is the two cases we need to find for this problem. So we got these two answers. Third problem, if AB is parallel to DE and angle BAC is equal to 35 and angle CDE is equal to 53, find angle DCE. So he has given the figure here, where in this figure AB line is parallel to DE line and we need to find out angle DCE. So where DCE can be got by using angle sum property of a triangle DCE. So in order to find out my DCE, first case I need to find out what is my DEC, so that I can relate this with the angle sum property. Since he is given AB is parallel to DE and I am taking AE as a transversal, I can relate with the alternate interior angles. So now coming to this solution, since AB is parallel to DE and AE is a transversal, so we get angle DEC is equal to 35 because it is alternate to angle BAC. So alternate interior angles are equal. So from this figure, where my BAC 35 degree will be alternate to my angle DEC. So alternate interior angles are equal. So now coming to this, now let us consider the triangle. Coming to the smaller triangle DCE or DEC. So we will get angle DCE plus angle DEC plus angle CDE. So where these sum of three angles will be from the smaller triangle. So DCE represent angle C and DEC represent E and CDE represent angle D. So I am going to use my angle sum property in this triangle to find out this angle. So where we have got this angle as 35 by using alternate interior angles. So I am going to substitute the value in this. So this angle sum property is equal to 180 degree. So where my DCE I need to find out, which is not known. DEC I got this as 35 by using alternate interior angles, and CDE will be, it is given as 53 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle DCE plus 88 degree is equal to 180. So which implies angle DCE is equal to 180 minus of 88, which is equal to 92 degree. So I got my DC as 92 degree.